Hello. Because season is changes and currently we have winter, our skin changes with the seasons as well. In fact, because we're using central heating, it becomes drier and sometimes we even forget to put a moisturizer. Now, because it's dry and dehydrated, we most of the time put a heavier creams, but also we need to put some other items besides the cream, which is either serum, booster, essence, or any other item. Perfect solution is hyaluronic acid, which binds hydration in your skin. However, glycerin is a nice humectant as well. But besides those two items, there are many other ingredients which you can try. Now, in here, I have different kind of hydrating serums and all kind of stuff which I collected, and now I can easily talk to you about them. I'm gonna split them into categories and then go one by one. If you want something more than only hydrating serum and you want a light texture, it's gonna be either one of those, where I have Clinic Moisture Surge and Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Both of them has suspended ingredients, so when you get the full size, it comes with a little bubbles. This one has vitamin E. If you worry about your wallet, go with the Neutrogena because it's cheaper and most of the time you can buy it on sale or use a coupon. If you want something at night and something classy, it's gonna be the Advanced Night Repair, which has been on the market for at least the last 30 years. It's one of the classic, has hyaluronic acid and many other ingredients, and it repairs your skin while you sleep. Because it's for it says night, I prefer use this at night, but it provides hydration right away, and it does helps with many other things. So let's say if you have different scars, or I use this one a lot when I get sunburned during the summer. It does help to bring the relief. Then in here we have more of a milky stuff. I use vitamin C serums. Vitamin C, once it's dried, it's a little bit sticky, so you want to put some milky serum to avoid the stickiness. However, okay, those two, it's the Vichy Aquathermal, which is designed for dry and dehydrated skin, and I think you can see it, that's the milky consistency, which I do like it, and I already went through 2 bottles. More of a creamy is the Avene, which I was happily surprised. That's the small sample, but I did enjoy it. And I'm planning on purchasing the full size. That's the Jaya Milky Serum, which smooths your skin. Was fine, I didn't mind it, it lasts me for a long time. And then from the same line as Vichy, I have their eye cream, but the consistency was different. Like it says eye balm, it was a little bit thicker than a gel, but it wasn't really a cream. So if you're more concerned about the dryness, I would say you can go with it, but I prefer the serum because either way I'm gonna put all over my face. And yes, I did enjoy the Avene. I like all of them, however, it's gonna be up to you, or I should say which one is gonna be more accessible. But let me just move on. If you like spritz, if you are on the go, the mists and sprays are really good. I have one from Vichy with their thermal water. I used this one as a toner and it was fine. However, I prefer the one from Pixi. The mister, it's great. It gives you a nice soft mist. And this one particularly comes with hyaluronic acid and black oat. I went through many of those, and yes, I do like it. I use it as a toner and even during the day just to bring moisture back into my skin. I went through a few of those, and yes, I do enjoy it. This is a sample of the Garnier SkinActiv. I already have a full size, supposed to smell like roses, which it does a little bit, but it's more of a artificial fragrance. So you can use it many ways, it's up to you, but it's affordable as well. So if I go by the prices, this is the cheapest. The Pixi, I believe it's around 15, but you can buy it on sale. And it says a small size. I know it was less than 10, but there is also a bigger size as well. Lastly, we have jelly serums, or more liquidy. Those ones have hyaluronic acid. I have one from Trader Joe, which is affordable. It's less than 15. It has a jelly texture. I don't think you can see it, but if you're on the budget, I would say give it a try. And hyaluronic acid, you can use it twice a day. So let's say you wash your face, put the serum, and then make sure you follow up with moisturizer, because if there is no moisture present, the hyaluronic acid would take the moisture of your skin. And hyaluronic acid is one of those ingredients which is easily found in our skin. So yes, any skin type can use it. Then we have a booster from Paula's Choice, which comes with a little pump. Was fine. I didn't mind it. It's easily accessible and it's less than 20. Then we have Hyadraluron. So it's similarly as with the other one. It provides hydration. So all of them, they have jelly consistency. That's the Mineral 89 from Vichy. So that's the way how the actual bottle looks like. I have a small sample of it, but yes, I did went through the full size. Now with the jelly products, they're good to use all year round, or even if you have an oily skin, you still need hydration, because if not, your skin's gonna produce more sebum, which is gonna make you more oily. But anyway, let's just move on. Then we have another product from Vichy, and with this I was happily surprised because it says LiftActiv, and sometimes you don't believe what it says because it says LiftActiv, so you think, oh, it's for like more mature women. No, it's not. It means it's more richer. But yes, I did enjoy it. And besides hyaluronic acid, I know there were a couple other things, but I like it a lot. I'm planning on buying the full size, but when it's gonna be on sale, because by itself it's kind of expensive. And then the last item is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid, 1.5%. And yes, it has the actual jelly texture, I should say liquid texture. Because it's L'Oreal, it's easily accessible, and most of the time you can buy it on sale. In fact, hyaluronic acid is not expensive. It depends how much of it it's gonna be in the bottle and how clear the product is. So it's up to you, and based on your packet, which one you wanna go for. But no matter what, you still wanna hydrate your skin, because if your skin is hydrated, it's gonna look smooth, nicer, plumper. Some of those items I use multiple times, some I'm gonna skip it. So let me tell you which one I'm happy with and which one. The Trader Joe was nice. If you're on a budget or if you have the store around you, give it a try. But otherwise, no, I will not repurchase, because I don't have Trader Joe around me and I have many other products to go through. The Vichy 89, I do like it. I already have a couple bottles. And it's a nice jelly texture. In fact, it's very similar to the Paula's Choice, but in this one you're getting more. So unless Paula's Choice is on sale, no, I'm not gonna buy it, but for sure I will repurchase the Vichy. Hyadraluron I already repurchased because Indeed Lab was having a good sale, and it comes in a handy dandy friendly tube. So yes, I do like it. We'll talk about this one. I repurchased and I do like it. With this, I like it even more, but unless it's on sale, I have to hold on myself to buying it. I already repurchased the L'Oreal because I was having coupons, but otherwise it's kind of spendy because it's around $30. So if it's on sale or you have coupons, try it. Otherwise, just wait. With the Clinique, yes, was nice, provides hydration, but because of the price, no, I will not rebuy it. However, yes, I will repurchase Neutrogena because you could get the same results, I should say similar, and it's way cheaper. So yes, I will repurchase. Then we have Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. No, it's not cheap, but it does work. It's one of those things which you're gonna see the results. Maybe not now. Yes, you're gonna see the immediate results, but also a long term. So this is like an insurance for your skin. I already repurchased and I'm planning on buying another bottle. With the Vichy thermal water, I tried it. Was okay, but no, I'm not planning on rebuying because I prefer Pixi way more, and I'm already using another bottle which is about to be empty. With this one, I do have the full size, but after I finish it, no, I will not buy it because I prefer the Pixi one way better. Okay, we have a few items left. With the Avien, I did enjoy the consistency. It was like a light moisturizer. We took it by surprise, and it did provide hydration. So yes, I will repurchase a full size. With the eye serum, I should say eye balm, was okay. I use it, but no, I will not repurchase because it was not enough for me. Then we have the Milky serum from Jaya. It does smooth your skin. It provides a little bit of a sleep and hydration. I do have one more, but after I finish it up, no, I will not repurchase because there are many other products on the market which I want to give a try to. And then with the Vichy, yes, I already have another bottle. I do enjoy it, and it is a good stuff. So if you see it, you can easily pick it up. Okay, so that was my short overview of the hydrating products, I should say serums, which I went through. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I see you next time. Bye!